suwaki. Oh.
Mga kalaba.
Oh. They're selling this shell at the beach. There we go. Look at this. Next time I will buy. Hindi na pa. Tiga, sige. 1 minute on ikaw eh. Kaya akong i-reels ba? Tagda ka sa YouTube na ko. Selling the shell.
Mga gudyaw.
Ha?
Mga kamay gudyaw.
Kamay-gudyaw. Inahay guys. Ha? Thank you boys. Good luck. God bless. Na mahalinan mo. Iagin mo diri sa ako. These 2 white dogs. The white sand sea. Yes, I have to go and maybe I will take a bath here. I'm gonna prepare my what's this kind of tree? Dire ipil-ipil tree. Piatilis tree. Talisay tree. I think some videos for 3 minutes some talisay tree. You can see on the talisay tree, guys. The pink cottages. They're cleaning and maintaining this, the maintenance boys, the staff boys of this resort. Wait, the sleeping dog. There's a boat. Oh, sleeping dog. The 2 white sleeping dog. Oh, see, look at them. Thanks for watching. Love you all.